Multiply your money exponentially with cryptocurrency in 2022. Given the exponential growth of the crypto business, it's no surprise that more and more individuals are becoming interested in cryptocurrency investing. Also, because 2021 has shown to be highly promising for investors, everyone is eager to profit from crypto investments. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Business Bandits. In today's video we will look for ways that how you can multiply your money exponentially with cryptocurrency in 2022. So be sure to stay focused. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and hit the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. It's no surprise that cryptocurrencies make it possible to send money quickly and anonymously. However, this is only achievable if you have the correct methods in place. Here are several ways that show how you can multiply your money exponentially with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies depend on a blockchain, a form of the digital network. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are an n number of blockchain networks to choose from, such as Ethereum, Cardano, and others. It's worth noting that they have distinct characteristics but function similarly. In 2022, getting to know their characteristics in depth comes out to be a great way to generate money with cryptocurrencies. Know all there is about the crypto on which you wish to make money. Knowledge is the key to success in any endeavor. Learning about cryptocurrencies, such as how their price is set, how they function, and which platforms one should purchase or sell, will always be useful. It's also a good idea to keep up with current events if you want to make much money. Find out about the swaps. It is usually preferable to have a good understanding of Bitcoin exchanges before investing. There are hundreds of exchanges to choose from, and deciding which one to trust is always challenging. You're good to go if you do your part of the research. Period. The Bitcoin market is without a doubt quite volatile. In a fortnight you cannot anticipate becoming a millionaire. It is critical to prepare oneself for a long-term investment before entering the cryptocurrency market. It's worth mentioning that most cryptocurrencies provide excellent long-term returns. Analysis. Technical analysis plays a big role in making money in the Bitcoin market. Based on charts, one may make precise predictions of cryptocurrencies. You may take a longer-term perspective based on your estimate of whether the market will rise or decrease, and make money regardless of whether the Bitcoin market is bullish or bearish. Trading. It's no surprise that the cryptocurrency market is quite volatile, which is why you should search for strategies to reduce the risks associated with crypto trading. Reducing trading costs, diversity, setting stop losses, and keeping up with cryptocurrency news are just a few of them. For example, with the CoinRabbit savings accounts function, you have the excellent potential to create a very nice passive income. The APY is 10%, and the greatest part is that it's non-KYC, so you can keep your identity hidden. Furthermore, it is one of the greatest platforms for crypto-backed deposits on the marketplace, with unlimited free withdrawals, 0% service fees, and daily payments. For savings accounts, CoinRabbit offers USDT ERC20, USDT TRC20, and USDC. You may establish numerous deposits or raise the amount on a current one to make extra money. Staking. Another popular approach for making money with cryptocurrencies is staking, which involves locking up a large stake for the long term. Investors can stake their assets, individually or jointly, to confirm transactions performed by others, allowing them to profit. In 2022, the 5 best new cryptocurrencies to buy are. Knowing which cryptocurrency to invest in can be difficult, with around 16,000 digital assets presently in circulation. Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to be the most popular cryptocurrency globally, which comes as no surprise. It presently has a market capitalization of about $1.1 trillion. Bitcoin would be larger than Meta Platforms, previously known as Facebook, and Tesla if it were a firm. The fact that Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency continues to benefit it. Because it has been around longer, it is more commonly recognized than any other virtual coin. Some investors consider Bitcoin to be a decent inflation hedge, since there'll never be more than 21 million Bitcoin tokens in circulation. Ethereum. Ethereum is a distant second to Bitcoin on the list of popular cryptocurrencies. Its market capitalization is roughly $500 billion, which is less than half that of Bitcoin. However, other people believe Ethereum will be the next Bitcoin. Ethereum's main advantage is its real-world utility. Its blockchain allows for the creation of smart contracts, which can be employed in various applications. Ethereum is particularly well-suited to the creation of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Whether or not Ethereum dethrones Bitcoin as the most valuable cryptocurrency in the next, it looks to be well-positioned to withstand the test of time. Binance Coin. Binance runs the world's largest crypto exchange. Binance Coin is the third most common digital coin on the market, which makes sense. It is the Binance currency's native coin, with a market capitalization of approximately $96 billion. Binance Coin users who pay trading fees using the cryptocurrency get a discount. Binance decreases the quantity of digital currency every quarter based on trading volume. These quarterly coin burns will eventually destroy 100 million coins, or half of the entire supply. The goal of these operations is to boost the value of Binance coins. Tether. It has a market capitalization of roughly $73 billion. On the other hand, Tether is the most stable currency. All stable coins have a value that is linked to another asset. The US dollar is that asset for Tether. Tether is a crypto dollar that, in principle, should retain its value in the same manner as genuine US dollars do. On the other hand, Tether's reserves have been questioned as to whether they are adequate to back all of its digital currency. The US Treasury Department has urged Congress to address and resolve the threats that stable currencies like Tether might bring to the economy. Solana. Solana rounds out the top 5 most popular cryptocurrencies. Its current market capitalization is at $65 billion. With a rise of almost 10,000% over the previous year, Solana has been the largest winner among these leading cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, Solana has significantly quicker processing speeds and cheaper transaction costs than Ethereum. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.